Hi, this is a cooking elf, and today we're making a fantastic dessert. A double layer cheesecake. One layer pure cheesecake, the other chocolate cheesecake. The cheesecake have an Oreo crust and a topping made out of Cadbury chocolate ganache. The ingredients are 3 Cadbury milk chocolate bars, 1 1/3 cups of heavy cream, 2 cream cheese bars, 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 1/4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 4 or 5 whole Oreos. Let's get started. Break up 2 Cadbury milk chocolate bars in a bowl. Please use Cadbury. It tastes and works a lot better than Hershey's. Next, fill a pan with very hot water. We nuked 2 cups of water for 2 minutes. This is the equivalent of a double boiler, which you can do if you prefer. Put the bowl with the chocolate in the pan with the water until the chocolate melts, then set it aside. Now we're ready to make the cream cheese filling. In a large mixing bowl, cream 2 packages of 8-ounce cream cheese with 1 cup confectioner's sugar. Mix until it is creamy. You don't want to have any lumps. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 1/4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and blend together. After that's all blended, add 1 cup of heavy cream and blend for 3 to 4 minutes or until soft peaks appear. Next, take your now melted chocolate and blend it together with half of the cream cheese mixture with the mixer. Time to start to assemble. Crumble up the Oreos. It is much better if they are small bits and pieces, not crumbs. Place the Oreo pieces in the bottom of the bowl. Then pour or spoon the chocolate cheesecake into a nice even layer. Put the bowls in the freezer for around 2 hours. After 2 hours, take them out and add a layer of regular cheesecake filling. Then put them back in the freezer for 20 minutes to let it set. We made 2 bowls, but had some leftover cheesecake filling and decided to make 2 more small servings for some surprise guests. With those, we used graham cracker crumbs and just the regular cheesecake filling that was left. We wanted to use whole graham crackers, then crumble them like the Oreos, but we didn't have any like we thought, so we used the graham cracker crumbs we had. Place those in the freezer as well for 20 minutes. the cheesecake dessert is in the freezer, we'll make the ganache. Break up the last Cadbury chocolate bar and place it into a measuring cup for easy pouring. Then you'll want to microwave 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream for 35 to 45 seconds. You want it warm enough to melt the chocolate. Pour it over the chocolate and let it sit for about 3 minutes. We have the dessert out after 20 minutes as we stir the ganache until blended. Now the ganache is ready to pour on top until it covers the cream cheese mixture. Spread it evenly and let it sit in the refrigerator for 10 to 20 more minutes. Now here are my 3 surprise guests with the finished desserts. Mama Bear, Papa Bear, who is 23 years old today, and Baby Bear. I know this might seem a bit time consuming, but it is definitely worth a try. Trust an elf. Just the regular cheesecake filling alone is worth the effort. It can be used for pudding, a regular cheesecake, or just snacking. It's that good. You can easily take the cake out of the bowl for easy eating, like this. I think you'll love it as much as we do. Thank you for watching, and here's the recipe.